Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Asmita Biswas from MDes first year. Today we are going to discuss on the topic PFC and right brain. So, and we request everyone to participate in the discussion. We are feel free to discuss.
Okay, you can raise your hand and say anything you want in between.
So the question lies in the title itself, that why right-brainers will rule the world. So the question comes in our mind is, why right-brainer? What is right brain? So we have two brains, like one right brain and left brain. Have you ever realized that we have two brains? Anyone feels that we are right-brainer? Anyone?
Okay, so
I cherish that. Good. That's a wonderful beginning, Asmita. Good.
So being people of science, let's start today's session with an experiment.
Actually, this experiment, the title of the experiment is the candle problem. It is put forth by Carl Duncker in 1945.
We have a candle, a box full of thumb pins, and a matchbox. Okay. So the problem is, how can you fix the lighted candle to the wall without the wax of the candle shouldn't drip on that table. Okay.
And the main constraint is you should use all the properties given to you.
So anybody has answer for it?
Can you find any solutions to this?
आपको कैंडल से जो वैक्स गिर रहा है वो टेबल पे नहीं गिरने देना है और आपको सब सारी चीजें यूज करना है टेबल की. Think. Yeah, it should be lighted candle. And we can't keep the candle.
Candle is to fix the wall or on the table.
We have to fix it on wall.
So we just move the table.
Anyone? You didn't get the question. Box has some pins. The pins we use on notice boards. Yeah. Okay.
Fix the candle in the wall
How?
and drop the pin.
How will you fix the candle on the wall?
You can fix like this, okay, by just rubbing that wax.
No, it doesn't hold on the wall.
Not hold on.
It just falls down.
Oh, okay, we have pin there, na? You can pin it or not.
It's a very small pin and it won't go.
Okay, one more thing.
The candle and destroy the
yeah.
candle.
One more thing, you can fix like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh? By just melting.
Okay, one side.
Wait. I'm answering. By melting some wax from its backside. Okay. You can fix it. After that, the box is there. You can empty that box by removing the pin and put that box just below it. Okay. The wax will fall in the
But
box.
the thing is, it won't be perpendicular on the wall. It doesn't stick on the wall.
How can you stick
It doesn't even stick to your table when you put it straight. You can just move it. The surface is flat. That's why it stands on the table. It doesn't
can
stick.
fix
What I'm
Anyway.
saying.
There is no such limitation on fixing the candle, na? In whatever position we can fix the candle. So we can fix it perpendicular also.
Yeah, you can, but
Then you right now you said there is a constraint, you can't fix it.
will it hold on?
The candle is lighted.
Yeah.
The candle is finished.
No.
This is the solution. What happened is, providing the thumb pins inside the box made us to think the purpose of the box is only to hold the pins. So it can have other purposes also. Same experiment is done by other scientists, taking 20 people, two groups, group A and group B, 20 of each group, and they were said to find the solution. And for group A, he gave rewards, like if based on time. If you come out of 20, if you come in first 5, you will get $5 each, and if you come at first, you will get $20. And for the group B, he just informed that this
Activities for fun.
Fun.
So, what do you think? Which group might have won? Which group was the fastest according to you? B. A or B? B. B वाले हाथ ऊपर. Okay, A ये वाले कोई तो होगा ये वाले.
These guys, group A took 3.5 minutes more than group B.
Solution of this problem needs creativity. So creativity can't be bought by rewards or punishment. It has to be more emotionally connected.
See, that's
Another scientist did the same experiment, and
Only difference is he provided the box and pin separately, revealing that the purpose of the box can be altered.
okay.
And the results were upside down. This group A did more faster than group B because it doesn't involve any right
Okay,
brain
the thumb
activity or
pins
something.
which were kept in the which a box, they were separately kept. Thumb pins were separate and box were separate. And group A won.
Yeah.
So the thing is, in today's world, left brainers means the solution is clear. We have a problem and its solution is clear. We'll just do it faster to get the reward. And in today's business world, we provide reward to our employees instead of internal motivation.
Yeah. Actually, what happened with group A is their mind was filled with this reward and time. So they didn't get time, that space to think. But with the group B, they had so much time to think. So they came up creatively.
तड़का बराबर लग गया तो दाल बनाते हो. Hello, this is Karan Bhatt and is my colleague. She is my colleague, Pavni Salla. We are going to discuss in deeply how and why right brain will rule the world.
So, startingly we have Daniel Pink has like progressed on the certain ages, and they're like agriculture, industrial, information, and conceptual. Okay, coming to the agriculture, it's like 1,000 years ago. We had like cultivated with the plants, animals, like nothing was there. And coming to industrial, it's like period of history where social and economical development was going on. And coming to information, like presently we are in this age where like every depend on the computers, like web, everything is like based on all. And like conceptual, it's like demand is for the people who are like skilled with the a lot of things like attributes, values, like emotionally, everything, all kind of stuff. So that comes under the conceptual age.
So we are currently moving towards the conceptual. Okay, till now means till information age, we don't require much EQ, means creativity. Our work is done by logics only. We know something and we put logic, like in information technology. What CS people do? They know coding. Okay, they put logic and they get the result. Okay, but now we are gradually moving to the conceptual. And in conceptual, we require tools like design. Okay, arts, symphony, music, movies. These all are conceptual.
Emotionally attached.
Okay, so how EQ? We are designing. Okay, so you can understand. We produce something that is not existing. We have to go deeply in the public. We have to face the problem like people are facing. We have to feel the emotions of people, and that's why we can develop one thing that is not existing. Sometimes people don't realize that it is required. It is required in day-to-day life, but it is actually required. And to realize that, we have to work with EQ, not logic. So we are gradually developing EQ, and by developing EQ, we can solve this type of problem. The next era is of conceptual, so that we require right brain. Okay, are you getting my point? Now the main difference between right and left brain. Left brain is focused on details, and right brain is focused on context. Do everyone know context? What is the context? Comparing or relating any bigger thing with the smaller or related thing. Any other thing. I am giving one example. Just every one of you think about your mother, your mom, for 1 minute. Done? Okay. What you thought? What's your thought?
Her face.
Face means
What you feel by seeing your face. She's
How is your
actually seeing
mother?
me here.
How is your mother?
Huh?
How is your mother?
How is my mother?
Yes.
She'll be fine.
How is your mother?
get your image now, like what you think, she's happy, like you're like some emotional bond you're getting from her, happy. Any
Please.
other person,
How
like
is your
some
mother?
other reasons.
Same. Why? Means you are because you are here. She missing me. Okay? That is
Wait,
characteristic.
He's telling something. Caring.
Caring. Caring, loving, this whole thing is context. Means if we imagine our mother, we thought she is caring, she is loving. Now tell me one thing. Do anyone think that she is tall, she is short, she is white, she is black?
She's fine.
Any of you?
Something, not in negative. So it's like
You have the point
bond.
there. Very good.
Okay? So we, when thinking about our mother, we use our right brain, EQ. And it is required in future for the conceptual. I am giving one another example. Everyone is used to see movies, right? Everybody is watching movies. Now, I think everybody know Heath Ledger. Heath Ledger, Joker of the Dark Knight. Okay? He was so deep into the character that he has to take medication to outcome from the character to come in the real life. And he lost his life because of his character of Joker. Okay? Why? He is so connected with the Joker. It is because of EQ, not logic. Okay? Logic is only needed when we have to develop something from the past information. But if we want to develop new thing, any new concept, then we require EQ, the right brain, and the future is there. Okay? I have some quotes. My friend will continue after that. I am saying one or two quotes. Someone said that India is everything. What English people is doing, we can also do. We just lack imagination. Now I am giving another example. Everybody know Elon Musk? Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla. Okay? Why this type of innovation done in the India? Why are we not able to do this type of innovation? We lack only EQ. We lack right brain. Okay? Elon Musk can feel that this is the future problem. Okay? That everyone is living in polluted environment, so we require electric car. He is using his EQ and he can innovate that. We cannot innovate that. We currently, and this is second quote, that we have currently access to everything from ocean to sky. Okay? We have labor. Like we are in the most populated country. Okay? We have labor and we have automation, which is using in the industries, which we are using in industries. Okay? So for that, till now we use logics, we use intellectuality. Okay? But in future, like when we have to produce some new thing, like we designers do, okay, we cannot use our logic only. We have to use brain, right brain. Okay, logic is important in some way, but right brain is more important. And I am transferring further to my friends.
Innovative thinking. Good.
Ma'am, and the student sitting in front of me, and my fellow designer candidate. Good afternoon, all of you. I mean, it's a real pleasure and real delight being in front of you all. And I am Navneet. I just want to tell you, in fact, I just want to start you with an example. Before I go to any article or any particular phrase, I just want to tell you that how these tools, not lack of understanding these tools of mind and brain, how this creates a global issue or a national issue for our world, where we are living. India, if we talk about our nation, we know that we are the youngest country of youngest country in the world. We have almost 65% of public is below 30, age of 30. And at the same way, we should understand that we are the people on the top of ranking in the depression, handling the depression issue. So at least
That is so much right. Good.
according to World Health Organization. So I just want to, I was thinking that what are the possibilities to address these issues. So I came to conclusion that mind and understanding of mind, understanding of spiritual energy, and understanding of our own mind's energy can be the solution. Science, technology, and design, definitely they have role to play in developing our life and economy as engines of life. But as we think about the agent of change, it's only going to be the understanding of mind and our spiritual energy. At the same time, we have the tools like the empathy, the compassion, and at the same time we also study about the passion. See, in compassion we talk about karuna. I have a phrase like it says, if you want to feed people, treat them in a way, the way you love them to treat yourself in return. So that kind of compassion, that kind of understanding, we should have in ourselves. At the same time, like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi said, that if you want to be the change yourself. So who is the change? Just you and me. The people sitting in front of me and sitting at the back, like you all are the change. But before that, we have to analyze ourselves. We have to understand ourselves. We have to analyze our energy, the mind's energy, the spiritual energy. So that we can change we can resolve this kind of situation in the world. And then, if we have the other aspect of symphony, as my friend talked about little bit about that. Symphonies are like we human beings are ideally set up to understand the logics. And not understand the logics. Especially we love to listen to the stories. So here the symphony says,
That's okay. Good, carry on.
Yeah.
Good.
It says it's taking some more elements from the nature or from anywhere and synthesizing, taking out of a bigger picture out of it. It's mainly about the synthesizing the different topics. As example, I'm giving a live example of 3-4 days in the triple ITDM. Like before 2-3 days, I think on the last Friday, we were having the seminar of entrepreneurship. There, they told that entrepreneurship is not about developing the economy; it's about solving the problem. So here I got that one point that it's all about solving the problem. Then I learned from this class that how can we identify the problem? It's going to be the understanding of mind. Like the mind is a universal. We can perceive, we can make perception, we can understand somebody's problem. So through the mind, we can understand somebody's problem. Somebody is doing something like, but he's not able to do that, and he is also not able to understand this. This is a problem of me, because if we create a product and we think about other people.
Just a minute or two. See, the class, he is making a very important point here, and in the presentation they have now moved the gear up, right? Now we are not just limited to thinking about the left brain and the right brain. He is making you understand the spiritual, right? Right brain is also the brain that links you with your mind. That is the reason why in India we always said that feelings are an evolutionary part of the brain, right? They link you with the mind. And mind is available as an energy. Though the science has not been able to find out, but we did the article of Dr. Jeffrey where we did understand that mind is available as an energy. Now when you are trying to find out the solution will not occur in the first place if you are not connected through feelings to the people. Logic does not connect, right? That is the point Daniel Pink is making here in the article which he is trying to present. Logic does not connect. It is through the feelings you get connected. Say for example, these people started with the example thing. Can you take an example of Mamta Anand? Say for example, logically, is there a way to understand who is Mamta Anand by answering to the question, what is Mamta Anand and who is Mamta Anand? Do these questions, through the questions, can we understand a person? It is through the feelings. Nothing will come out of the mouth, right? Nothing will come out of the mouth. But merely my presence does make you feel something about me. right? Because the mind is already bringing in the feelings that people cannot catch. You can't understand it in an X-ray or a CAT scan. How did the feelings move? Where have they reached? But you will have an information reaching to you. What is creating a problem for me, or am I happy or not? Right? This is what he is saying, that right brain. Daniel Goleman says, no, you are coming back to the age of spirituality. What is this conceptual age? Thought is the thing that occurs in the zone of mind, right? It is something that occurs in the zone of mind. And your PFC, that's such an important word that they have used there, prefrontal cortex. In your brain, this is the thought processing center. Unless and until you put your right brain in order, your PFC is damaged, right? This is what all the articles that I gave you of the medical science do tell you. Feelings में control नहीं होगा, thoughts में control नहीं आएगा, because PFC is already damaged. You would have a poorer brain. You know, brain is actually working as a sensor. It's a part of the body. But with the mind energy, you would have a poorer brain connected. Say, for example, if I scold you, right, as I usually, and next time you come with a negative spirit in my class, ma'am, not good. Not good at all. You won't be able to absorb anything good I give you. Even if I appreciate you, you would feel as if I had actually given you a stinging remark. Haven't we experienced this? किया होगा ना, किसी से हमारी नहीं बनती, वो बेचारा appreciate भी कर देता, तो भी हम नाराज होते हैं. Because you have a poorer brain that is not able to catch with the mind energy, right? That is the important thing this person is explaining. Carry on, Vijay. Thank you.
As we understand the problem of individual, then we realize that because the mind is universal, it can be the problem of a mass. Here we got the problem. Now we will have to make a solution. Like now we got the problem. The here mind it's already made the bigger picture. That's what I'm trying to say. Then although I'm a design student, I took example of from nuclear physics. Like if ma'am, the idea of symphonic mass and create some chain reaction to nuclear fusion, it can create a bigger change in our daily life in the world. I believe. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Very well done. See, I never hoped for this amount of creativity. Young people are therefore, world over and throughout the history have been the people of loving good. You're the lovers of good. Creativity is something, best poets in literature are the young people. Right? Carry on. Very creative. Good.
Hi, my name is Jagyanto Dora. Sorry about the sleeper though. So, राइट ब्रेन के बारे में बात चल रहा है तो मैं राइट ब्रेन के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बोलना चाहता हूँ. जैसे कि राइट ब्रेन काम कैसे करता है, आपको क्या लगता है राइट ब्रेन कैसे काम करता होगा? जैसे कि किसी गुरु को देखते हो कितना शांत बैठता है, तो क्या माइंड आपको उसको देख के क्या ख्याल आते हैं? आप कैन यू से सॉरी रिस्पेक्ट आता है. एनीथिंग एल्स? पीस. ओके. एनी और कामनेस. सो यही होता है, ठीक है. राइट ब्रेन क्या करता है, बिगर पिक्चर, आप पढ़े हुए आर्टिकल में बिगर पिक्चर था, तो राइट ब्रेन इज लाइक कंट्रोलिंग एवरीथिंग. आप पीस कैसे मेंटेन कर सकते हो? आप किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को ले लो, लाइफ में डेली लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता ही रहता है हम लोगों का. तो राइट ब्रेन इज लाइक बोलता है कि क्यों टेंशन ले रहा है, टेंशन लेके क्या फायदा है, टेंशन लेना ही क्यों है, अगर तुझे करना है तो कर, टेंशन मत लो. तो प्लीज टेंशन लेके फायदा ही नहीं. और एक बात, जितने भी बड़े बड़े लोग ये एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वर्ल्ड में जो भी है, तो उनका राइट ब्रेन के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल होता है. वो लोग बैलेंस करते हैं लाइफ को, कैसे चलाते हैं, टेंशन को और जो भी लाइफ में चल रहा है, जो भी अपना करियर को, वो सब बैलेंस कर पाते हैं, इसलिए वो लोग इतना आगे पहुंचे हैं. तो राइट ब्रेन ये होता है कि आप खुद को कितना एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो, खुद को जानो,
Very important
किस-
point.
किसी के लिए मत जियो लाइफ में, ठीक है? खुद के लिए जियो, खुद क्या सोच रहे हो, खुद का कुछ पॉजिटिव सोचो, लाइफ में पॉजिटिव होता है, ये तो सुना ही होगा। तो लाइफ में इतना ही सब चीज अच्छे से लो और दूसरों के लिए नहीं जियो, खुद के लिए जियो। That is what
And then you will be ready to serve others, right? See, what is he saying is, खुद को देखना यानी क्या? When you keep on, being aware of the feelings that are coming to you, you have to study the feelings and select them. We need to understand. I hope these people might have prepared that point, otherwise I'll tell you. You need to keep on deleting the negative feelings, the bad feelings, and keep on preserving and conserving the positive feelings, right? To live through the right brain is to become aware of what are you feeling. And the more you get aware of your own feelings, you will be readily accepting the knowledge on feelings coming from everywhere around. If that part in you is sensitive, you will be very reflective a person. कोई दुखी है अपने आप पता चल जाएगा. You become mirrored, right?
ओके। और राइट ब्रेन क्या करता है कि सब चीजें समझने की ट्राई करता है मेरे हिसाब से, और लोगों को रेस्पेक्ट दो, लोगों से सीखो, बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलता है लाइफ में। तो जिसका EQ वर्क्स करता है वो हमेशा डाउन टू अर्थ रहते हैं आई गेस, और उसके बाद वो ही डिफरेंट होते हैं लाइफ में, और वो ही कुछ कर पाते हैं। थैंक यू।
In a course, Culture and Science, we are these days discussing the holy text of the Buddhist religion, that is Dhammapad by Gautam Rishi, right? Gautam Buddha. He is the one who wrote it. And the final lines of Jagga did very much match with it. Because you would see, when you become a strong right brainer, you will start tuning in the wisdom of the religions. When you become a religious kind of a person, right? That is where your spirituality comes into function. And he did make a very important point. He said, in Dhammapad that we were discussing in the last class, along with the article of Dr. Emin, he says, virtuous people take a delight in the world. Often and on we think, virtuous yani Gurwan, he takes delight in the world. We often and on believe a person who is religious and philosophical is otherworldly. You getting the answer to the questions you're putting on my email? अच्छा बनने का मतलब क्या है? गुणवान रहोगे, अपने आप अच्छे की सुरक्षा के लिए कूदोगे. This is what even Gautam could know, right? Which is very much a part of your Dr. Emin's text. This is where this boy was making us make, right? To the religious part of the understanding. Carry on.
Everyone is so positive. I don't know, a lot of positive energy that I can only want to put an example.
You can,
An example comes in my mind related to how EQ connects.
yeah.
अपनी language.
तुम्हारी अपनी इंग्लिश नहीं है तुम्हारी, कुछ नहीं है. You are capable of learning any languages and you'll be a master of it. Yes, your English teachers are considered to be the best in the world in the field of English. People are taking the teachers from India to teach English there. चलो.
वो ही समझ पाएंगे अच्छी तरीके से. 3-4 महीने बाद आप घर जाते हो हॉस्टल से, ठीक है? मम्मी दे वोट का ले हो गए. मम्मी क्या करेगी? वो मेरे बच्चे के वोट का ले हो गए, खाता नहीं, पीता नहीं, सोता नहीं, ठीक है? राइट ब्रेन से सोचेगी, EQ से, ठीक है? पापा क्या करेंगे? सिगरेट पीता होगा, ठीक है? पापा ये लॉजिक लगा लेंगे, वो अपने लेफ्ट ब्रेन से सोचेंगे, ठीक है? तो आप लोग ही बताओ, आप किससे ज्यादा कनेक्ट? मम्मी से या पापा से? पापा से, बिकॉज ऑफ EQ, मेजॉरिटी. और ये जो फीलिंग है, अगर आप सिगरेट छोड़ोगे तो पापा की डांट की वजह से नहीं, पापा की डांट की वजह से आप छुप के पियोगे, ठीक है? मम्मी केयर करती है, उसके इमोशन के लिए आप छोड़ोगे सिगरेट. अभी एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ, आप क्या समझते हैं?
बिज्जू भाई घर कब जाने वाले हैं? पहले ही तो छोड़ेगा तो.
No, I'm Karan Bhatt is rocking.
Yo, बिज्जू भाई.
I want all of you to semester.
Of PFC before. I just want to give a small brief what exactly PFC, since we have not discussed it, people were so excited and they started with right brain. Actually, the thing we had to discuss first was PFC. So PFC is actually the CPU of your brain. Okay. So whatever the inputs you are getting through your senses, your direction sense, your auditory, your vision, everything that will come finally to your PFC. If you see the structure of the brain, the front part of the brain, this is PFC. After that, that is the temporal lobes, from where you generally get the auditory senses, the names you connect. If you know this is a paper, you know because of temporal lobes. Okay. Then after that, there is one another part. That is your occipital parietal lobe. And this is your occipital lobe that is responsible for your vision. And parietal lobe mainly takes care of your sensory directions, sensory vision, sensory things and direction. So this is the general structure of your brain. Now addressing the questions we had, as ma'am has also discussed in the mail, there were people who wanted to know, does EQ actually, or the right brain does actually help you in your profession or in your industrial life? How many of you think it helps? It does it? The person who is joining hand, does it or does it not? Does it? You feel it helps. As we all represent the design department, I would like to just quote an example of a designer. So maybe 2 years down the line, we'll be designing a product. Say for example, we'll be designing a product for a elderly person of age above 70. Okay. So a person who is not developed in the right brain will generally go with the idea of what exactly he needs. Okay, for example, you want a walking stick, he'll feel, okay, this is the height of the person, or this is the weight of the person, he wants this much of material or support. He'll go very logically and with a definite process. Now, if in case a person with the developed right brain gets into this process of getting to a solution, he'll actually be empathized to that person or that elderly person. He'll be in the shoes of that person and actually feel, okay, if I'll be that person, I'll require these all things, or all these needs will be required. So this is the answer to that question, that will EQ help you in your industry? And the second question was like, why females are not coming up with an activity or assignment if something is assigned in the industry, why females are not coming up and taking the responsibility of performing the task. Might be all of you present here knows why a female, in case if 5 or 10 students are asked to come to a stage and a person who is not very exposed or does have a positive exposure will hesitate because of the society. We all know the answer. The question should be not why they are not coming up, should be how we can help them and support them to come up, and it's me and you who can help them to come up. And if you see a person who is having that capability and he's not coming up, you only can help them.
Good, very good.
Hello guys, myself Gitanjali. As you all know, I'm from design department, so I'm moving this discussion in a little bit different direction. So let's have some fun exercise. So I have one exercise which I have repeatedly doing in Triple IT, and I have found that most of the female are correctly doing it rather than male, my male friends. So exercises like you have to move your right hand in clockwise direction and you have to move your left hand in anti-clockwise direction, and you have to do it in a like you have to do it at the same time. Like you all can do
यही डिजाइन है बेटा बच्चों है समझी यही सीखते हैं हम लोग 4 साल की थी ना बीटेक
Yeah, so I did this experiment with a lot of boys and lot of girls in triple IT, and I found that girls are doing perfectly rather than boys. So, see, I can do it like this. So, girls having more control over themselves than boys. Like, I can explain it in example also. Whenever there is a critical situation like fight is going on between two guys, so generally guys says, मेरे भाई को तूने ये किया, आज तुझे तोड़ दूंगा, तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा, ये. Even if girls are more connected to their friends also, like two girls are more connected emotionally. If there is something problem going on between them, then they think about what is exactly problem, what is exactly wrong happened between them. But boys never think like what is wrong. They think like maar dunga, tod dunga. That's it.
See, she is making a very good mark here. She is not taking us to what is the cognitive ability. You know, cognition. Cognition is how you understand the things. And the kind of description that she is giving, I hope we have read about this in Dr. Bryzendy's article and Dr. Amin also. Now, very important. This article of female brain everybody has received, right? I've also written in the email that it being called a female brain doesn't mean that it is only existing in the women. It does exist in the men. But culturally, they have not been motivated to dig the neurons perfectly well. They have not been grouped to raise their cognitive abilities, right? She is talking about cognition. Women are naturally capable of being cognitive, right? So that's the reason why they may not be smashing. Yes?
So, women, as we all know, women having a 5 good strengths: collaboration, empathy, intuition, self-control, and worry. Okay? So, I'm talking about the self and the men. So, this exercise denotes this, like, we can move our right hand in clockwise direction and left hand in anti-clockwise direction, right in front of you. Even you can do this exercise with your friends, with your colleagues, and you can come to the conclusion. Right? Further discussion done by Chandra.
എനിക്ക് പി എഫ് സി കാണാം
Seen as Parul picture, this PFC, parietal lobe,
എനിക്ക് അവിടെ ഞാൻ 2 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ
and occipital lobe. Like in frontal lobe, there is like, if we see a blackboard, we know it is true, right? That gives, the frontal lobe gives that picture. If we see something, we know what it is. And in occipital lobe, it connects to vision. But each of it can't function without PFC. Like, each of it is connected because of PFC. PFC gives the connection to each and every one of these lobes. And without PFC, we can't know, even if we see what it is, we can't get in the picture what it really is. It connects the past, it connects the future. And how we can build a new behavior from our past, like how we were before and how we are now. We have a much difference here. Like how we were 5 years ago is not how we are now. So it all connects from how we were in the past. We have met many people. Like the people we see in our daily lives influence a lot to how we are going to be tomorrow. That is a PFC's a brief description. And now I have a example. I have seen a video in YouTube. In that, a guy, he made a lemonade. In that lemonade, he put a lot of salt, like a very large amount of salt, and it's so
salty, like people can't drink it. And he called a little 3 or 4 year boys and he gave it to them. And just after drinking it, they said like, how bad it is, just throw it away, we can't drink it. They said to his face. And then he gave it to some bunch of little girls. And they said like, it is okay, like you must increase a little bit more sweet taste to it and decrease a little salty taste to it. Like they have more empathetic feeling towards the person who they are talking with. That is the difference between male and the female brain and how PFC gives that difference.
What we're saying is this, the difference between the reaction and the response. You get the word? The example that she gave us, you saw the reactionary boys. Immediately they said, without thinking, this is what it is. Oh, it's papas. Right? The little girls, they were responsive. You become responsive when you have the capacity to hold yourself for a few seconds. Think, how should you react to the situation, right? So you have the PFC role there, right? So we should be responsive or reactionary. Anybody else? Okay, so different people have...
Ma'am, may I discuss with PQ?
Sorry?
PQ, ma'am.
You want to actually, I didn't realize that it was actually given at the back, but then that portion is to be done after the mid-sim. It's a very big portion in itself.
We are dividing our all parts separately.
Yes, today in the morning, you see, I did have a talk with this.
I got the mail, that's why.
No. PQ, I did have a talk. I hope, I did hope that it might have been communicated to you, but it was not, it seems. Right? That is a personality quotient. We have to, it's a very big subject in itself.